Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel BIM with Gauri, BIM Plus Design channel. So guys, have you ever placed a Revit family and wished it could adjust its length automatically? Okay, so guys, that is where line-based families come into play. That is where exactly line-based families are used. In this video, I will explain what a line-based family is and why it's used and how it works and where it is applied in real BIM projects. Okay, so see, a line-based family is a type of family that is placed using a line instead of a single point. So see, I'll be creating a line-based family which is also a system family. So see, this is a railing and we have used railing many of the times and we didn't notice that it is a line-based family. Okay, so see, I have selected this first point. Now, this I have selected the second point and I'm making it. Okay, so see, this is a line-based family. I can adjust its length to up to whatever extent I need. See, I can adjust its length by just extending this point. See, so this is a line-based family and this is how line-based families are so useful for our project. Okay, unlike point-based families such as doors, furnitures, line-based families stretch and adjust automatically based on the length of the line you draw during placement, like this. Like in its placement, I have adjusted its length. Okay, so now I am going to tell you how we create line-based families. In this video, I'll be creating a very simple and basic line-based family. So see, first we need to select a family template that is basically meant for line-based family. Okay, so see, we are going to the file and opening new family template. So see, we need to specially select like metric generic model line based. To create a line based family, metric line based template is necessary. See, I'm opening it and I'll be creating a simple extrusion family. See, I've created a simple extrusion and just linked it, locked it with its sides. See, I have locked this and I have locked this. Already a length parameter is given in this family. So see, when I move it, it is clearly working with length. Okay, so now I'll be loading this in the project. Okay, so I have saved it as family 2. Uh, see, I am creating this line-based family up to whatever extent I need this. Okay, line-based families are used when an element need to adapt to different lengths. Like whenever we need to adapt its different length, line-based families are used. So guys, instead of making different 2 to 3 families, I have created the single one line-based families. Otherwise, if this feature did not work, then I have to create different families of different lengths, which will be a major task for Revit, and it may make my model heavy. So see how line-based families are useful. It saves modeling time, reduces file size, it maintains consistency and improves BIM efficiency. Okay, line-based families are commonly used for handrails, like the one I gave you an example about railing. Okay, handrails, skirting. Wall skirting is also a line-based family. See, I've created a wall here and gave, I'll be creating wall sweep. Okay, so wait. See, in architecture, I'll be giving it a wall sweep. So here I have added a wall sweep. See, this is a wall sweep and I can adjust its length. See, I can make its length more and reduce its length. So wall sweep is also a line-based family. Other examples are cable tray, pipe supports, linear lighting fixtures, sunshades and louvers, etc. So this is how line-based families are so useful for our Revit projects. Okay, so guys, that's all. Thank you. And please, guys, like, share, and subscribe to my channel.